With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, our question is given as a disk is rolling. Disk is given, it is rolling without slipping with angular velocity omega. P and Q are 2 points equidistant from the center C. Order of the magnitude for velocities is given. Here 4 options are given. Option A, VQ greater than VC greater than VF. Option B, VP greater than VC greater than VQ. Option C, VP equal to VC and VQ equal to VC by 2. And option D, VP less than VC and greater than VQ. Okay, then we can here this is a disk and this is a point of contact, so it will move with the angular velocity omega and there is no translational motion. Okay, then we can draw the distance from each particle to this point of contact. Let me draw the distance. That is, this is a distance from P. Okay. Then next distance is, this is a distance from C. Okay. And distance from Q. Okay. So from figure, let me label this distance is RP and distance from C is RC and distance to Q is RQ. So from the figure it is clear RP is greater than RC is greater than RQ. We can multiply with omega because linear velocities are omega. So on multiplying with omega, omega into RP is greater than omega into RC is greater than omega into RQ. Or in terms of velocity, velocity of P is greater than velocity of C is greater than velocity of Q. VP greater than VC greater than VQ. So our answer matches with the option B, VP greater than VC greater than VQ. Okay.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.